Being a hospital director is hard when hospital logistics are not running smoothly. The exchange of beds takes up unnecessary space and causes long walking distances. The storage of medicines is time-consuming, hardly manageable, and inaccessible to everyone. The provision of sterile instruments is prone to errors and often leads to delays. When your hospital logistics are inefficient like this, it's frustrating both for the director and the staff. Fortunately, our sales reps can analyze your situation and help you install smart hospital logistics solutions. So when a patient comes in who's suffering, staff have more time to take care of him. Thanks to optimized processes, patients will experience a quicker response to their pain and receive care sooner. Optimize bed space with a vertical lift that stores all the beds and delivers fresh beds on demand. Now your patient is comfortable but still in pain. Another VLM with access openings on multiple floors delivers medical supplies faster and only to authorized personnel. Now your patient can be taken care of quickly. For all surgeries, a vertical carousel provides the necessary instruments at the touch of a button. Fast, sterile, and fully automatic. These multi-level solutions allow faster access to daily hospital stock and reduce staff walking distances as well as offering much-needed storage space. This gives more time for efficient patient care. And when your hospital runs smoothly, everyone feels happier. For more information about hospital logistics solutions, call us at 1-800-803-1083 or visit us on the web at southwestsolutions.com.